In this video we will guide how to setting up a ring group in ICTPbx. First, log into ICTPbx portal as an admin or tenant by entering the email and password. Select the main menu PBX and then click on the sub-menu Ring Groups. Now click on the Add Ring Group button and you will be redirected to the Add Ring Group page. Enter the ring group's name and extension number. Select the strategy from the drop-down list such as simultaneous, sequence, random, rollover and enterprise. Select the extension in the timeout section. Click on the Add Destination button from the Destination section. Select the single or multiple extensions from the drop-down. Now click on Save button to save the ring group.